Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a widely used compound in cooking and various other applications. Baking soda is a white crystalline powder that is naturally alkaline, or basic in nature. It's known for its versatile properties, which include leavening and baking, odor neutralization, and mild abrasive qualities. Sodium bicarbonate occurs naturally in mineral springs, but most commercially available baking soda is manufactured through chemical processes. As it is a chemical compound, sodium bicarbonate does not have growing conditions per se, but it is produced through a synthetic process typically involving sodium carbonate or soda ash. Traditionally, baking soda has been used primarily in baking as a leavening agent, where it reacts with acidic components to produce carbon dioxide gas, which causes dough to rise. It's also used in traditional household cleaning practices for scrubbing and as a deodorizing agent. Baking soda is noted for its ability to neutralize acids, making it effective in relieving heartburn, indigestion, and upset stomach. It's also used in oral care as a toothpaste for its mild abrasive properties, which help in removing plaque from teeth. Additionally, baking soda is used in certain dermatological applications to soothe itchy skin and relieve minor skin irritations. In metaphysical practices, baking soda is often used for purification and cleansing rituals. It is believed to cleanse both physical spaces and spiritual energies, acting as a grounding agent that absorbs negative energies and promotes a clear, positive environment. This concludes baking soda. Stay tuned for the next herb from the Medicenter's Herbal Apothecary. Monatomic gold, diodes, magnetics, herbs, and superhuman enhancements can be found at www.medicenterchicago.com.